guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I'm doing a 500 subscribers special, aka thank you video, as well as some announcements and important updates. So make sure you stick around to the end to get the latest scoop on my channel, and you might even win a special prize. So yeah, let's just get into the video. So first things first, as you all know, I just hit 500 subscribers, which is insane. I cannot believe I hit 500. I obviously couldn't have done it without you guys. You guys are all so awesome. I love you so much. You are the best, and I wanted to do something special for 500 subscribers since I haven't done really anything special since I hit 60 subscribers. Because specials aren't really my thing, but since I did hit 500, and that's half of 1,000, oh my gosh. I have to do something special, so I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Come on in, Mindy. We have to show them what we're giving away. So guys, I'm going to be giving away this 18-inch model sized t-shirt. It's a little cropped. I didn't mean it for it to be cropped, but some of you might like that. And I made this. I sewed this all by hand. I sewed this all by hand, and the little butterfly decal I actually used. I DIY'd it, like how to make graphic tees without transfer paper. And I'm also giving away these earrings. So the shirt and the earrings, and I'm giving these away. I'm trying to be as sanitary as possible, but if you're not comfortable, with germs and what's going on right now, you don't have to enter the giveaway. But I am giving away these two things for 500 subscribers. There is going to be one winner, and obviously I can't give away 500 items, but this is just a way I can show that I am very thankful for you guys, because you guys are awesome. To get both of these two items right here, all you have to do is just comment down below that you would like to enter the giveaway for 500 subscribers, and I will put you on a list on Google Docs. And make sure that this is okay with adults, since you are going to have to giving me some sort of address to get it to you. So I'll either need a P.O. box or a home address, and I am 100% trustworthy. I've sent lots of things to other people across the country since they won PTGT, my photo contest. And these two items will come in an envelope like this, actually this same one. And if you think it's a little heavy, I actually weighed it, and one postal stamp pays for 1 ounce, the weight of 1 ounce in here, and these are not even 1 ounce together. So yeah, if you would like to win this cute little aesthetic shirt and matching earrings, make sure you comment down below that you want to, and make sure that it is okay with your parents. So yeah. Oh yeah, and for the earrings, they're gonna come flattened, so they're gonna come like this. It's hard to do with the gloves, but they're gonna come all flat like this, so I can get it in the envelope. But then all you have to do is just bring it up so that you can stick it in your model's ear. And if you go, oops, my background, no! So yeah guys, that's what I'm doing for 500 subscribers. Once again, thank you so much. And if you want to enter this giveaway, make sure it's okay with adults or your guardian, and comment down below if you want to do it. So yeah, now we're moving on to updates and announcements. So announcements is that I started a behind the scenes Twitter account. So the link will be in the description box, and it will pop up right here. You need to go check it out, because I'm going to be posting a ton of fun, special, exclusive behind the scenes clips, especially for you guys. It's top secret, but it's not that top secret, but it kind of is top secret. But so yeah, make sure, wait, why are they still on? So yeah, I started a Twitter account that has behind the scenes videos of me making a video, or maybe just a behind the scenes of my life kind of thing. So make sure you go check out my Twitter account. It's PerkyTomato_BTS for behind the scenes, and it's gonna be awesome. You will see a bunch of fun behind the scenes videos of me. And also for updates, I'm going to be posting at least once a week since my school has officially started. So I'll be a lot more busy, so I'll probably only post a video only once a week. But that's okay, at least I'm still posting. But I might post every once in a while, 2 uploads a week. So I just want to let you guys know that. Alright guys, that is basically it. If you stuck around for that whole video, thank you so much. You are awesome. Comment below if you did. Comment below chicken nugget if you stayed till this long. And thank you again for 500 subscribers. That means the world to me. I love doing YouTube. It's so fun, and I just want to thank you all so much. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all, share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.